Welcome to Heseltine Law's informational series of videos on estate planning. Heseltine Law is a law firm in Palm Desert, California that focuses exclusively on estate planning. Our comprehensive estate planning services for clients include, but are not limited to, revocable living trusts, irrevocable trusts for estate planning purposes, pour-over wills, advanced healthcare directives, powers of attorney, guardianship provisions for minor children, and charitable planning. As a service to the community, we are producing videos on important estate planning issues and frequently asked questions. If you are a California resident and have questions, are interested in attending one of our complimentary estate planning seminars in Palm Desert, or would like a free consultation with a licensed California attorney, please call us at 760-777-0496. You may also reach us at www.heseltinelaw.com. In our series of videos titled Meaningful Estate Planning, we are highlighting many reasons why proper estate planning should be done today and not tomorrow. Unfortunate consequences can result if a person or married couple decide not to create their estate plan during their lives, or decide to use unwise methods for estate planning. In some, individuals or married couples have the option of deciding to do nothing, use joint tenancy arrangement for assets, execute a simple will, or create a comprehensive estate plan with an experienced estate planning law firm. In this video, we will bring attention to the consequences of doing nothing for an estate plan, likely the most painful approach we see for families. What are the consequences of doing nothing? These include the stress and delay of probate, loss of control of your family's future, and increased expenses. If assets are probated and a person has decided against creating a proper estate plan, there is a potential that the family will have to suffer through the significant delays and stresses associated with the probate courts in California. A decision to not do something today will result in a person's family taking an expensive, stressful, and unnecessary tour of the court system in California. By choosing to create a proper estate plan, however, an individual can make sure their family will avoid a 6-month to 18-month probate delay. Also, another consequence of doing nothing is that the personal affairs and history of the decedent will be on display to all of those involved in the court proceeding or interested in looking more deeply into the person's private and business affairs during their life. Perhaps the most distressing consequence for a family when a loved one has not created a proper estate plan is the emotional stress and anxiety of going through the probate system. Court is nearly always a negative experience, and truly, this is the last thing a family needs after the passing of a loved one. The next indignity that is suffered by families of loved ones who did nothing is the tremendous cost of going through probate court. The legacy an individual or couple leaves a family will be reduced tremendously by the need to pay attorneys, court fees, and others involved in the process of probating assets through the courts in California. As well, by doing nothing for an estate plan, a person runs the risk of significantly decreasing their legacy to their family because of increased capital gains taxes and potentially increased gift and estate taxes. This table shows the approximate combined charges for a personal representative and an attorney to have a simple estate probated. Note, however, that this table excludes fees charged by executors and attorneys if there have been exemplary services provided to the estate, which can include simply selling real estate. Moreover, it does not include court costs or estate taxes. As a rule of thumb, an estate can potentially lose 10 to 13% of its value due to the fees and costs associated with having the family wealth probated in California. We hope that this brief video about the consequences of doing nothing for your estate planning has been informative, and that you will speak with our Palm Desert law firm about proper estate planning. Our next video will point out the tremendous hazards of placing assets in joint tenancy. If you live in California and have questions about estate planning services we can provide, please call 760-777-0496 or visit www.hesseltinelaw.com.